is it productive or harmful for us to separate the idea of sex and gender?
Other on a form, like you said, the ramifications for that in legal.
So that's the question. So other societies have done harmful things. I think we can agree that doesn't necessarily mean that it's.
I'm sorry,
it's okay.
I don't think respecting someone's identity makes that harmful. I don't understand. I don't agree with you comparing gender identity to cannibalism or slavery. That seems pretty offensive.
I know. It seems you think a lot of what I've said is offensive.
Yeah.
You've been set up here from the get-go for it to be offensive, and I'm not trying to offend. Let me re-explain what it is. Take any practice, okay? Mm-hmm. Take the practice of neck stretching, for example, which is not harmful, okay?
It is harmful, actually.
Okay, well, some people don't think it's harmful. They don't think it's harmful in these societies. Take any practice that's relatively benign that we believe to be harmful that they don't believe to be harmful. The point is, just because another society at one point has practiced it doesn't make it correct. Can we agree on that?
I'm sorry, I think you're making really false comparisons.
No, because there have been horrible things, maybe benign things, maybe semi-harmful things in other societies. We would both agree on that. So it's not a valid argument.
To bring slavery back, though.
No one is arguing to bring slavery back.
Exactly. So why are you?
Well, actually, they are. Of course, it still exists in other countries in the Middle East and some countries that you've mentioned.
Like I said, I don't think you're making a fair comparison. I think you're
I'm making a very fair comparison.
I think you're kind of just going on a tangent in order to try.
My point is, it's not an argument.
It is an argument. I think it's an argument.
Okay, so I will use your
argument that our Western standards are not necessarily the pinnacle of what we should be doing. Western societal standards do not mean that we all need to be following the same thing, because we're not all Western and we don't all follow those beliefs. So if a Native American person...
Of course you do if it's the law. We all have to follow the law.
Yeah, okay, so yeah, the law is different. I think the law is different than a societal standard. So legally...
Well, hold on a second. How is the law different? It is the societal standard legally.
Legally, yeah.
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 Let's stay within those parameters.
Okay, sure. So, there's other countries that are considered Western that would recognize a third gender.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that. Mm-hmm. Okay.
So why not?
So how many genders are there? It comes back to if we're going to change this.
After Crowder made negative statements about Fox News.
So we are sitting here talking about gender.
Yeah. So if I were as a person,
this is a modern theory in the United States, right? Sex and gender were interchangeable. No, I'm going to finish one sentence here. Okay. I would appreciate that. You've been very privileged in speaking over me. I'm not convinced, right? The job here is for you to sit down and change my mind. And I think that's very productive for you to do with other people on campus. I don't think this is a way to change somebody's mind.
I don't think you want your mind changed.
I have had my mind changed.
You want your mind
well,
changed.
instead of assuming that, how about actively trying to change it?